Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen while you're using your iPad. So, the option is actually fairly straightforward. However, there's a little complication that you may have while you're using your iPad. So, usually you have the option as you scroll down from here. You just pull this down, and as you can see, this little icon right here is recording. So when you are not recording, you just press that little icon, and after a countdown, your iPad will start recording your screen. You also have an option to enable or disable your microphone. So maybe you want to record something and you don't want your voice to be over the video like it is right now. So all you gotta do is you gotta hold, and then you gotta disable or enable the microphone. So I'm gonna disable the microphone for a second. And now it's enabled. So that's if you have access to that little option right there. Sometimes, for a number of reasons, your taskbar isn't optimized and you don't have that. You don't have this little option here. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings. You want to go to control center, right? So as you can see, your iPad has multiple features that you can add and remove. Now, what happens if I add or remove something from here? It's going to get added or removed in this little area that you see. So let me show you an example. For example, I want to add dark mode and Apple TV. After I've added it here, as you can see, that's dark mode. It's remote control. And that is dark mode. So maybe you want to record your screen and you don't see this little recording button right here. This is how it looks. So what you should do is you want to go here. You want to go to settings. You want to go to control center, right? And then when you're on control center, you'll see that the recording. See, I've removed it now. You see, oh, the recording is right there. So you just add it. Now it's added, and now the button is back up. So again, first thing you do is you check here if you have the record button. If you don't, you come to settings, control center, you find the screen recording button from here, and then you add it. It goes up there, right? And it's up there. If you have it by default, then you just press on it. Reminder, if you want to remove the microphone, have the microphone off. If you want to have the microphone on, then leave it on as it is. That is how you record your screen while you're on iPad. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye-bye.